Hey crew. Happy Monday. Today we're talking about how to do an awareness scan of our body. And most people either frown at me or say, well, duh, just have to pay attention to your body. I feel a very small percentage of us are aware of what our body's trying to tell us versus what our mind is trying to tell us. Our brain, the hamster wheel, the need to do brain. Okay, so we're either in a state of tension or ease, and I talk about this just in relation to the adjustment. Before you get adjusted, if you need to be adjusted, your nervous system is in more of a tension state compared to when it's over. So many people, when I get done adjusting them, I'll say, good, nice. And they're like, doesn't feel good and doesn't feel nice. But what I mean is, from the beginning to the end, the brain and the body dialed down and came to a more eased state, a more relaxed state. I don't mean muscle relax, I mean brain relax. That fight or flight system, the adrenaline system, has just like whoosh. So in order to do an awareness scan of your body, you need to get quiet. You need to not have your computer, 30 tabs that I have up, and not have your phone dinging, and not have the dogs barking, and not have a book open and these notes and all these things you have to do. It probably takes, well, for some people, 5 minutes to get into a state of a little bit more stillness. Some people can do that in 2 minutes to reset, to come down, focus on your breath, focus on your body, focus on your heart, your intuition. From there, you can actually sense what your body's telling you. That is different than what your brain is telling you. So many times I'll say, people will ask, should I work out after I get adjusted? Well, you just have to ask your body. But it's easier said than done. That body that's in a constant tension state is not getting the signals from the brain to down-regulate that and to actually get the right message. So take a scan of your body. It's not about where the pain is, because that is such a small percentage of what the brain actually tells you. So, really small. Once we have pain, there's been quite a few signs that your body is giving you. Whether it's that you're tired, your belly hurts, I talk in kid talk, sorry, your stomach hurts, you might be moody, you might not have pooped for a while, you may be craving sugar, so many things. Your immune system might start to act up, you might get a random hot flash. So there's so many symptoms of stress that so many times we miss because we're in the push mode. We're in the crank up mode. We're in the GSD mode. That means get, done mode. That we don't come back into stillness. And without stillness, you have no awareness of your body. And if you have no awareness of your body, you do not know what your brain is trying to tell your body and what it needs and when it needs it. And from there, if we don't know that, we don't know how to create a better solution. And we also don't know where we're at that moment. So if where we're at is a state of unawareness, we don't even know what great feels like, because we're not connected to who we are. We're not aligned at that moment. Chiropractic is all about aligning and connecting and getting back into your body. Sometimes I will say, it feels like some people's bodies are here and some people's heads are here. And when that happens, there's no way we can make decisions coming from a place of ease or calm or what our body wants or truly what our brain and body need. It comes from a do place. I think I have to, should, and so come back in. Be still for 2, 3, 5 minutes. Do a scan of your body and see what it needs. It's not difficult. Difficult doesn't mean it's always simple. or not difficult doesn't mean it's simple. It's not difficult. It takes time and patience to get to a place that you can feel again and you're not numb. We have a bazillion numbing behaviors that we use all the time. That is the avoidance mechanism to not feel because we're afraid of something that's not comfortable. I urge you to be still, do a body scan, and understand what your body's telling you. When you're disconnected, find your family chiropractor. When you're misaligned, not physically, truly, when you feel like there's something disconnected in there, that is a brain thing. That's where we need to down-regulate that stress response, the fight or flight system. So if we can get to a point that we're more aware of our body, we're going to heal. We're going to heal faster. We're going to find the best solution for what it takes to move forward. We're either moving away from something or towards something, and we want to move towards better health, right? Towards more connection, towards more alignment. So thank you all. Have an awesome Monday.